No, Melissa, no. There's no way this could work.
It won't, because obviously if it works, other people would have done it.
Yeah, no, it's a really silly idea, and I don't even know why we were talking about it.
I don't know. Like, whose idea was it?
I don't know. Wait a minute, did we actually do it?
Oh, wait. We did do it.
You mean we took puppetry and fiber art and put it together in the same workshop?
Oh, yeah, we did.
But they have nothing to do with each other.
They really don't.
Wow.
So...
But somehow it kind of worked.
Yeah, and we made it work, Barry. I think it was us that made it work.
Yeah. So join us for our class on putting the Zing in amazing animal puppets. You'll learn secrets of foam rubber puppet construction
and how to needle felt a costume for your puppet or a mask for yourself. You learn so many techniques between he and I on our different styles, and you will be blown away.
No, we really this didn't work, did it?
It really did. I think they're telling us it did. We filmed it.
Okay. I can't wait to see it myself.
Me
I still
too.
don't believe it.
I don't know how
there
we
when
did
it
it.
happened.
I don't know how.
It's amazing to me. Yeah. I'm going to go watch it right now.
It's a good idea. Oh, bye, Barry. I'll just take these home with me.
Wait, I'm coming with.
Where was that cut?